Me hear Vendetta play a Masicka show last night, but me no hear no Vybz Kartel.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop!
Every statement on make are Crux and Alkaline. Like, uno want push Vybz Kartel to safety over there so, and use mind game pan the Crux and Vendetta.
You did who? All of them a call up my name forget a eye. Me nah give them no eye. They going dead for hungry.
CJ Milan. If them no want say, J Progress we say it. CJ Milan, on behalf of Dancehall and Jamaica, we want to thank you for what you're doing for Dancehall.
A few moments later.
I believe see a man left him yard and got the entrance of another artist show to attack the woman them we are going at the show. You know if you watch the video, me just can't believe see a man 8 women so because of another man. Brother, I say you love man, dog.
Brother, what's that?
2,000 years later.
Father God, you can't make Popcaan get him visa. Father, a long time Papi a wall out, you know.
One eternity later.
Me glad say Jamaica able to see you now who is the real corruption of dancehall. When J Progress come and tell you say Gaza fans are the biggest corruption in a dancehall.
Damn! May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox! Media Fox! How the latest news them lock?
I don't know one Media Fox bunny up, you know. Yeah man, you know what said. People, you know what me say? One of the crooks them post this. I know my always tell him say, you no humble youth. And that no problem. You no humble. You do no barkers, do nothing. Great look for dancehall. Seeing? Remember say the biggest crowd that you never pulling on a career. Seeing? So look what them say now. Them say Alkaline use gimmicks and sell out Barclays Center. Listen up people. Masicka use talent and Vybz Kartel use prison hype. Seeing? I understand with Vybz Kartel because the demand, you know, him afford from prison. When them say Alkaline gimmicks, I don't understand because when Alkaline do Barclay, remember you know, Alkaline was in Barclays Center with 8 other artists before him sell it out by himself. 7 months after. Remember, now Masicka do interview. I call Vybz Kartel name and bag of thing. Controversy and everything leading up to the show. So when you say gimmicks, I don't understand because Masicka in the media more than Alkaline. You understand? When Masicka da forward and say man Kartel good and I this up enough of them and mad sus them. And him and Shane Skull forward out 56 in the clip and what them there gimmicks them there. I don't understand this. When since gimmicks sell out arena, I did think of music. Because when Alkaline do Barclays Center, Masicka get the biggest promotion for going to Barclays Center. Enough evidence out there. Even the Jamaican parade in New York, that was a part of the promotion. You understand? So, I don't understand with the gimmicks, but I understand some of them crooks are them not humble. You see me? Them try to use certain things. But just humble on yourself, my G. When you do nothing, when you do thing in a Barclays Center, just humble. You see it? Yeah man people, so make you go in a video. You see me? Yeah man.
Yo, Gaza on the mind game now working, watch ya. Me don't know if I just my ears alone, but no correct me if me wrong. Me hear Vendetta play a Masicka show last night, but me no hear no Vybz Kartel. No correct me if me wrong. Me sure me hear Vendetta play a Masicka show last night, but me no hear no Vybz Kartel. Me see mind game I wanna play Gaza, but me go tell you something. I don't need to know this. Every statement I wanna make are Crux and Alkaline. Like, we don't want to push Vybz Kartel to safety over there so, and use mind game on the Crux and Vendetta. No, me will tell you something and make you come back to reality. You see before Masicka even reach anywhere in a music where him sang them a play everywhere and people know him, Vybz Kartel a bad mind Alkaline. From the day Alkaline boss, Vybz Kartel bad mind Alkaline.
Yeah man, I real talk that man. Bad mind man. Because when him forward out, remember him in a prison, you know, see? Because you say the media stir up that. Then you go forward and say, man living in him style, people will say. Then you go say, hear what man saying to people. Him say, the people them did want the next Vybz Kartel, so them get one. Remember, you know, him say Alkaline and next Vice Cartel, you know. Him say that out of him mouth, you know. See? And then now, after him say that, him a go say, him is not a fan. So, you sound bad-minded because if you say Alkaline, you know, the people them see him as you, right? Or you are going to say you're not a fan of yourself. That means that you're bad-minded. A bad mind thought that. You understand? Yeah, man, him not rate to the youth a do him thing and him not bow to him. Because a lot of interviewers ask him that. You see it?
As Vice Cartel was in a mission to get all of the bad artists them, to put in him camp, Portmore Empire, Gaza, and Alkaline, man himself. He must stand alone. Him not going in a camp with no man. He must do him thing and him own him thing and he must set him own thing. And from that day, Vice Cartel eat Alkaline. And them try everything to destroy Alkaline. And Alkaline wall out and fight it. Then here comes Masicka. Masicka do him thing. And Masicka thought that Vice Cartel was one of these real general out there. And go so boom and start link with Vice Cartel. And then what? Dreamer link with Vice Cartel. And him now think the same fight when go see Vice Cartel him a fight Alkaline. Him just go be a part of it. And then see the boom. Him and Alkaline jump off a real way. So let me tell you something now. So when you no think say vendetta have short-term memory and no remember when them artists just come into the industry. If Vice Cartel was successful, there would be no Alkaline or Vendetta today. Never mind Vendetta and Crux would have jump off. There would be no Alkaline and there would be no Vendetta if Vice Cartel was successful. You don't know how long the Gaza fight Alkaline. Crux and Vendetta just jump off what the area since Masicka go link with Vice Cartel.
Yes, because Masicka, remember Masicka say forward up on stage and I talk about Gully, some boy talk about Gully Vendetta, Gaza genocide, you know. But get to find out say a TJ make him did I say that time say man Cartel and a friend, so he was once a part of that too. We get caught up in that situation if you go off Alkaline.
And if I never Vice Cartel, Crux and Vendetta wouldn't jump off. And that you need to know. So the whole corruption comes straight from the root, from Vice Cartel same way. From the day Masicka bus. You know why I get homage to Vice Cartel and Vice Cartel no do nothing at all for Vendetta career. Alkaline boss from day one. Them a tear him down. And the youth wall out and see him have a giant fan base here, Vendetta. And Masicka was swaddling by the snake until he realized about Bombard. That boy a snake man. And go so room and lift up. And if Masicka never did lift up for a road Vice Cartel, Masicka would not be as big as he is today when he got sold out the bar clear. And we have the baddest album around the place right now. No. If he may lift up around Vice Cartel, the energy would have gone. So we don't mind game when we see we now play like we don't want to say, watch we now, you know. We are going to set up the Vendetta and the Crux them right now, you know. But me telling you all the while, Vendetta not have short-term memory and them eat Gaza more than anything else because of phone boss if he never successful.
Yeah, because Gaza don't care about dancehall. They don't care about the culture nor the music. Them are destruction. You see me?
Alkaline would have never there. Remember, you know, you see when the Crux and Vendetta go jump off the real way, I will be just sitting down and eating my popcorn and enjoy dancehall music. And that me I go do. Me not pick no side with the Crux and the Vendetta because they are doing music and repping their camp. Gaza do bad mind. A bad mind the Gaza do and tear down and sabotage the artists them. And that the Gaza camp them a do. That is a total different thing from repping for your camp. So me no have no side up when they come on to Vendetta and the Crux them. When wartime come, me just sit down, enjoy my popcorn, and me the best one win. Because when it come to the Gaza, any one of the camp them, Vendetta or genocide, me ready to go war for them. As long as the bad mind corruption Gaza, them are go against. Me ready any day. And that.
Yeah man, them youth, them boy there. Them no one of youths make it out there. You see me, that's why them compare with Cartel with the youth them every day. Try to bring down them. All when Cartel in their business so much years, and them get up and compare every day. Cartel do arena, Alkaline do arena. Them a say a cheaper ticket, a this ticket, them free ticket a give away. All of them look us up there. When Vice got in the arena, me no hear nobody a bring it down and I say a cheap ticket and all of them look us up there. But when the other artists them in there, be a problem, bungle deal, this, that, way. All when a bag of artists afford on the stage with Vice Cartel. Yeah man, them no want to see no youth make it.
You have to understand. Remember, you know, dancehall just a see. Say a Gaza the corruption in the dancehall, you know. Them just a see, you know. Where else in the history of dancehall you see dancehall fans going to other dancehall shows trying to sabotage it and tear it down and discourage people from going into the show we buy them ticket already? You're not going to tell me that under the heights of corruption and when dancehall reach this up. Dancehall slowly I see, but don't worry, me I go show you up clear. Remember, you know, as some did fool to erect the Gaza, you know, And I tear down some artists for little and nothing, you know. All of me know me I tear them down for, you know, until me realize. Welcome Masicka. Masicka realize too. And realize say, them a drain me energy. And me can be a lot bigger than them. It a go boil down to vendetta and the genocide them. Them no want no crown from Vice Cartel. Because that the crown they fake. And them friend game crown. All them want to shoot off the crown off him head. Make him stop talking about him a king. Until the real crown come about for the real dancehall artists we deserve if you get. And this I think there.
Yeah, man, I real talk that, man.
CJ Milan, if them no want say, J Progress we say. CJ Milan, on behalf of Dancehall and Jamaica, we want to thank you for what you're doing for Dancehall. And what we love most, CJ Milan, is not that you're not being prejudiced, you're not picking a side. You represent Dancehall and Dancehall only. CJ Milan, thank you again for another successful show. Just like what you did for Vice Cartel more than once, just like what you did for Alkaline, the same you have done for Masicka. CJ Milan, you are doing a phenomenal job for Dancehall. And thank you for make the people them in the big arena them can go pack up and enjoy Dancehall music. We want to thank you for that. We know say some big waste Batman out here and try style the thing. But from them, this is CJ Milan, them get cancelled. Because one thing, everybody in a dancehall have them camp. But at the end of the day, they represent dancehall. And one thing you don't do is this somebody who represent dancehall and don't big side. CJ Milan, thank you again. You did a fantastic job for Masicka. Like you have done for Bounty Killer, Vice Cartel, Vendetta, and all of them. Big up yourself, CJ Milan. Job well done. And we look forward for you promote some more smashing dancehall show in the big arena them. Love and blessing every single time. And remember, stay real to the culture same way. And stay just like how you do it. Don't pick no side.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, CJ Milan. You don't know, shall do it, man. You see me? I swear God, them now want to give credit where credit due. You see it? Yeah, man, big up CJ to create the house where you know can keep the dancehall space on a big, massive international. You see me?
Don't worry yourself. When them batty boy run out on social media, we know how to deal with them. We have the remedy for them. Big up yourself, CJ Milan. The people, me just put up a video earlier with one Gavin. Can't believe this Gaza gone through. You believe see a man left him yard and got the entrance of another artist show. If he attack the woman, then we are going to the show. You know if you watch the video, me just can't believe see a man hate woman so because of another man. Brother, I say you love man, dog. Brother, you really tell me say you that destroy every woman just for Vice Cartel youth. I say you love man, dog. Me think you love the music. Or me think you love the artist as an artist or something. But brother, you literally love man. Brother, me never see a man in the history of life tear down woman for another man. People never watch the video. Come in, I want to feel like me the way you start telling the lie. I couldn't believe it. Me tell Gaza for bench a long time, you know. Because from what you see you fall off, you know nobody now use it, you know. Nothing now go off you. And look, you gone to the dogs, youth. You left and which sensible man go live? I attack woman for another man. Brother, all your woman have to eat you, brother. Your woman have to eat your one Kevin if you have woman. Because you can't have woman. Brother, this can't real.
Brother, enough of them Gaza, man. I know say every day, brother. 99% of a man forward out on video themselves. I say one bag of thing about cartel or crash out and a bag of thing. You hardly can find more than 5 women who forward out a different cartel. Yeah, man, them man, yeah. Brother, me I tell you. Check them background and check if them have woman. Cause them can have woman and them woman I watch them I go and solve a man.
A man left in the yard. Just to go attack woman for another man. Brother, so you love man? Oh God. Brother, me telling me say, you, the Gaza, have to bench you. To still be a Gaza and move away from the corruption of the bad mind. Because
yeah, man, me I tell you, cause them money are some, I don't know.
See, me want one more dagger in the Gaza them heart before the year done. Father God, you can't make Popcaan get him visa. Father, a long time Papi a wall out, you know. You can't make Popcaan get him US visa, Father God. Go in at the Barclays Center too and sold out too and mad them too. Popcaan are the nether youth. But the Gaza want to see fall. The whole of them showing pretty face and fake smile. But deeply, them glad when Popcaan don't get him American visa. I know, and the entire dancehall know.
Yeah, man, if Popcaan go in there, man, full man. Him can maybe do all back to back. Popcaan never yet perform in the US yet, you know. So, yo, it's a lot of shows that, you see me? Yeah, man, a lot of shows. You see, although people left USA and come see him other places, but things would have gone over there, man, I tell you.
Gaza no really go for Popcaan, and them don't want Popcaan reach America. And the best thing for them when Popcaan don't get him US visa. But Father God, before the year done, make the unruly boss get him US work permit. Make the unruly boss get him US work permit, Father God. Because all of them artists in the industry, the Gaza are bad mind. Because they them see them potential and see them greatness. Father God, a time for you to throw it out upon them. Alkaline already shame them. Masicka shame them now. They might try with Popcaan and they might pray for all long Popcaan. But Father God, one more upset for the rest of the year. To disrupt the Gaza camp bad mind campaign. Just make the unruly boss Popcaan get him visa. That we are pray for. I'm glad to say Jamaica able to see you now who is the real corruption of dancehall. When J Progress come and tell us say Gaza fans are the biggest corruption in the dancehall. Vibes Cartel fans them are the biggest corruption in the dancehall.
And that's facts. From Vice Cartel for from prison, you see dancehall scene. I be a bring down and all of them look, you know see. You see them. No, me I tell you. Well, more and more time, you know, things are going seen and said, you know. You see me, so we're going to watch and see what I want.
Them want this strike, they come like them want dancehall. Name Vibes Cartel. And no, you know if you have no other artists, when you hear dancehall music, a one artist to play, a one artist to come on a stage show, a one artist then for book, all when you book a dancehall show, it's supposed to be Cartel name. No. The Barclays Center. Vibes Cartel was booked for the Barclays Center. And they have show back to back. Sold out show. I never see one Vendetta fans or genocide fans got Vibes Cartel show and I try talk it down or I try discourage it or I try sabotage it. No.
I'm glad you call out that because the only thing said is that, yo, the man just come from prison. Them thing I expected. Him expected for sold out back to back. We know that. So, remember, you know, we don't fight youths, you know. We just do one thing and do music. Them don't care nothing about the music and the culture. I just bring down. Imagine Vice Cartel now so much arena in the USA. And you never get them type of energy here. When the youths them go in at the Barclays Center, just for show you, them bad mind. Because if uno go in there and then them brawl and bring down and them thing you never go on. And when the youth them are going there, uno bring down a bad mind and the bad mind the youth them for come do this. Especially when the bad mind say the youth them do this at such a young age and a short space of time. And that are the problem. You understand? Because Vice Cartel just do it. You see it?
Alkaline. I've been show at the Barclays Center, sold out, and never seen no genocide fans or anything like that. But you see Gaza fans on the internet are tear it down, a wish we feel, a say feel, and all different kind of something. Now Masicka have a show at the Barclays Center. Sold out. Me see Gaza fans there, the show, I try don't play it, God the entrance, I try don't play it. Everything, all because they wanted Masicka show to cancel.
Yeah man, seem like how Alkaline, you think them not glad to Alkaline show the postpone? Them glad. Remember me tell you, them feel like say, yo, what them are is a good thing, you know. Yeah man, that's what I tell you, for them alone, them kill the culture. Me I tell you that.
Can up out ya. You real way upon them on the internet and them feel on the internet, so them say, what? We are got the show go still happen, we are go. Them try everything, them even go as far as dissing the promoter. The same promoter who promote them boss, Vibes Cartel, with the same show, we sold out. You understand me I say? One thing, you know. There may be vendetta and genocide, but you never see them try sabotage no artists. You never see vendetta and genocide as literally a sabotage artist. Them speak up for them camp, but them never try to sabotage an artist. Real bad mind in an artist. Me tell you already, Gaza are the real definition of bad mind in a music. First thing, Vice Cartel no one no ghetto youth in a music reach nowhere. That must have been the old Vibes Cartel when him have Portmore Empire. But not this Vibes Cartel you see right here. The Vibes Cartel now want all of the clothes for himself. And him sit back in a chair and inject the bad mind in the Gaza fans them. And them a carry it out in the music. Anybody when they depend the bad mind with them, depend them, this them. But me tell them already. J Progress there. We no now go manage on the internet. Me tell them already. We no see. We no try sabotage Masicka on the internet and it no work. Because we turn up out a big and brawl. And wake up the swamp. And then you know see when me out a big and ball same way, Vendetta wake up and Vendetta say, oh, no more defense we play out here. Attack. Genocide say no more defense, attack. We no run go curl up in one corner. We no never see this before. So we have to take it to the actual reality in a real life in the road. I saw it go man. A attack time man. A bird sees up on the Gaza. No bad mind in a dancehall now go prevail. No one artist can run dancehall. And that will never ever happen. Remember good.
Yeah man, a mad thing man, for real man. You see it? For real, bro. You see it? I just saw them man stay, brother. I tell you that. Saw them man stay, dog. Is it? Yeah, man, cause them man love music, brother.
Masicka, well done, youth. Yeah, man, Masicka, well done, youth. Well done, man. Good performance, man. Gaza batty, man, them. We out every day a war over cartel pants, man. Want to suck off cartel pants, man. Don't answer no. Because now go on say Barclays belong to cartel alone. Don't answer say no. You not click on no live, no one try say this and say that. You know, love the youth. Love the youth. Everybody that come in their music and every man with talented, I go get them bumbuckler moments. If you go full out any venue, if you go perform on any big show in front of any crowd.
Well, they don't want that, you know, me G. They want cartel alone for do that, you know.
Love the youth. A Gaza, I'm saying, I'm glad to see the youth can do it. I'm glad to see Alkaline can do it. We're not going like I said, no, the artist must get no crowd. What am I going to look at Gaza batty, man, brother? Love the youth. The youth are going good. The youth are going good. The youth are going good. So when I do know, Mr. Simon to post up the venue never full. Early, what time? About 7 o'clock something last night. You know, I post up say venue not full up. Hey, well, like, but what I'm going to do? I never see no look man and push out the energy of his Spice, Shensi or Jadam. Fi man. But I don't love the look of young artists them, brother. Love Masicka, brother. Love Alkaline, brother. Love the look of you, them youth. Cartel has on 50 all answering. I'm glad for Cartel contribution to Dancehall. One of my body's lyricists. No joke. But yo, the younger artists them have come do for them part. Love the man them, bro. You know, go like I said, Dancehall they are Cartel foot. Dancehall not they are Cartel foot. And a Cartel are my artist. But Dancehall is not a Cartel foot. You hear that? Skilly come do him thing. Alkaline come do him thing. Masicka do him thing.
Yeah, man, because of the same thing, you know, bro. When you have Beanie and Bounty and them, man, they, and then forwarding down to Idonia, Busy Signal, Vice Cartel, and move out. Now the thing change. You have Alkaline, Masicka, Skilly, all of them young artists, I saw it go. Soon after this, it gone to some younger artists after Alkaline and Masicka. You see me? I saw it go, it's just a cycle. You see me? Things and time change. So I don't know wrong with them money, my G.
Squash come do him thing. Chronic Law, same thing. Mali, and the man will come do for them part as well. But no stop fight on the look of you, them youth. Stop fight on the look of you, them youth. When you look at Gaza batty, man. Love the look of young artists, them brother. Bumbo clad, una brother. I want to know a cartel fuck, you know. But when I saw look at batty, man, brother. Love if I look at young artists, them. When you look at Gaza, man, go suck on the mother, bro. And leg off a Masicka shot, bro. Love the youth. Leg off Alkaline shot, too, man. Love the look of youth, them, man. Bumbo clad. You do. You go on good. Big up yourself. You go on pussy clad, good boy. But you can't go on good and not get fight still, you see it? Cartel get team fight. And we see him greatness now. So,
what kind of fight Cartel get? Cartel don't get no fight, my G. Cartel cause that pan him problem. You see me? Him cause that. You know, go on like a Cartel never in a badness. You know, see? Why how you think him go prison? Everything where we're going, him cause it. So I don't know what I talk about. But get fight. You know, see in the over bounty. Ray. If nobody did this, Cartel fan for him camp. I see him thing to see him like our bounty. You understand? I saw you thing go, bro. Camp thing. You see me? Nobody no just get up on Ray Cartel. So if him not have something, I have to do it something. You understand? I just saw you thing go, me G. You see it? Yeah, man, anyway, bad energy there. Something not gonna reach there. You see me?
look at Masicka, them go fight you, man. Alkaline, them go fight you too. Skilly, them soon start fight you too, you know, Skilly. Yeah, man, you soon start get fight too. No worry yourself. The guys about him, man, them soon start fight against you, no, Skilly. No worry yourself. You soon start fight you too, man. Remember me tell you. Them look at man, them want to suck Cartel cocky. Want TikTok, yeah. Them soon start fight you, man. You look and see.
People, big up on yourself. You don't know, I want me the first one up, you know. Yeah, man, a mad thing, man. That is it.